Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today is another Oh So Heavenly video, and today you're going to see me use the Oh So Heavenly Hair Sensations Brilliant Shine Complex. You're going to see me wash, condition, as well as use the mask. This video was suggested to me by one of our favorite members on the Curl Factory Facebook page, Lorraine Gibbs. So Lorraine, thank you for suggesting this. She's an amazing lady. I got to meet her, and let's get into this video. But before we do that, subscribe, comment and like. So I started washing my hair using the shampoo. This is their Weightless ProHealth shampoo. It promises to rebalance hair moisture levels. It also promises healthy shine and silky softness with milk proteins and omega-3, 6 and 9, and it's for all hair types. Now this shampoo foams up very quickly. If I have to compare it to the keratin line, which is the previous video I did, I found that this one lathered up a lot more. So I didn't really need to use a lot of product, and that was also something that was nice in terms of how much to use. They do have a bigger bottle than this, but this is the one that I bought for the video. It did give my hair a good cleanse. You really have to rinse this stuff out. Like, it takes a while to rinse out. It didn't leave my hair as dry as the keratin line. My hair was a little bit stripped, but not too badly. It did leave a little bit of moisture in. So if I have to choose between the keratin and this one, this line is a lot more hydrating. But again, the keratin line, I understand it can be a little bit more drying. So the results for this were okay. It did strip my hair, but not too much. The conditioner, this gave amazing slip as well. Just like the other line from Oh So Heavenly, it was a breeze and an absolute pleasure to detangle my hair. This is also the Oh So Heavenly Hair Sensations Brilliant Shine Complex. This is the Care and Caress Weightless Pro Health Conditioner. It also promises to rebalance hair moisture level for healthy shine and silky softness with milk protein and omega-3, 6 and 9, and is also for all hair types. You don't really need to use a lot of product when it comes to the conditioner. It glides through your hair nicely and it really makes detangling a breeze. For the directions, it says massage gently into wet hair after shampooing and leave on for roughly 3 minutes, and then you can rinse it out. So this conditioner really helps with detangling. I enjoyed it. When it came to rinsing it out, I also had to take my time, really get it out of my hair. Didn't leave my hair as dry as the keratin line, but it also did leave my hair a little bit dry. The last product that I used from the line is their treatment mask. This is the Oh So Heavenly Hair Sensations Care and Caress Weightless Pro Health Treatment Mask. I love the texture of this mask. It's light, it's fluffy, it's like a souffle. It applies really well. The conditioner detangles well, so this just glides in. It promises brilliant shine and is also for all hair types. And when it comes to this mask, how long do you leave it on for? It says that you can gently massage into wet hair after conditioning, leave on for roughly 5 minutes and rinse thoroughly. So this is also a bit of an on-the-go mask. I left mine on for longer than 5 minutes simply because I had stuff to do, but it applied very nicely. Again, I had to rinse it out really well. It did an okay job as a mask, not the best. You guys know I've used lots and lots of products, so I can more or less gauge. This is just a little bit below average. When it comes to the entire line, nothing about sulfate, silicones and parabens on the packaging. With the results of the mask, my hair was okay. It had a bit of a shine, a little bit stripped, not as hydrated as I would personally like my hair to be after I've used a treatment mask. That's it guys. I hope you enjoyed me doing another video on the Oh So Heavenly line that you can find at Clicks. In the description box I will put the prices of all of the products that I used, which was 3 of them: the shampoo, the conditioner, as well as the treatment. Thanks for watching until the end guys. I always appreciate it, and I'll see you again in another video. Take care.